What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm just going to talk to you about a company, Cofiyard. Last year I bought one of their stoves and had an issue with it where the igniter underneath the burner melted while I was cooking. And I reached out to them and they sent me a new one. I did make a video on it about the customer service and that happening. So anyway, last week, one of their representatives saw that video and reached back out to me to let me know that the batch in 2025 was a new batch and they had a heat shield covering that. So he was kind enough, he wanted to send me one. So he shipped it out and it just showed up today. So I'm going to get into that and kind of show you the new updated version compared to the one that I had. So if that interests you, stick around. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll get to them. Let's go over here and get this one out. Okay, so these are the two stoves. So we will open, this was the original. Okay, so this is the one that they shipped back, or this is the one they replaced. After mine melted, they sent me this one. And it was the same as the one I had, so it will probably do the same thing. And you can see that is a plastic right there. And that's actually what strikes it. So that's your igniter. And on my other one, this plastic just melted to where you couldn't strike it anymore. And I do believe the reason that is because I was using one of those Coleman stoves, or not Coleman stoves, but the Coleman oven that you set on top of a two burner like this. And I don't think the heat was able to escape here quick enough before that melted. So when I use that oven, I will still set it up in a different manner, just so the heat doesn't build up in there, because I think it got caught underneath the oven and just kept it in there and melted it. So anyway, that's their original design, and this is the new design that just came in today. So this is the new one, and take this. So you see the igniter, they have a little heat shield anchored down right there. So I think that's going to do the trick. But still, when I use my oven on top of this, I will make sure that the air can escape before just doing. Last time I cooked like 3 pizzas, so it was a lot of cooking, and I think that had something to do with it. But still, it shouldn't melt. So anyway, that's their fix for it, and it's like that on both sides. I did check it to make sure, but I was pretty happy that they fixed the issue instead of just like letting it go. They figured out something. Evidently enough people had the issue that they had to do something. So I'll probably sell this other one, and keep the updated one. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you that updated version of the Cofiyard 2-burner stove. I would like to thank Cofiyard for sending that out. They didn't have to send me that one. They had already sent me one to replace the one that had melted, but like I said, their representative saw the video and knew they had an updated version and just reached out and wanted to send me one, so that's pretty cool. They're supposed to send me another version. They got a new version coming out, a little larger. So they're supposed to send me that one. Whenever they do, I'll definitely maybe go camping, try it out, and do a review on it. But yeah, I can't say enough about the customer service for Cofiyard. The product's good. I think they're just new company and developing and just figuring some of that out. But customer service is great. I can't say enough about them. Thank you for watching and tuning in to this episode. Thank you, Cofiyard, for reaching out and replacing that with the updated version. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. As of today, I'm at 701 subscribers, so thank you all. And until next time, stay trashy.